Most of us are familiar with Down syndrome. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, it is the most common chromosomal condition diagnosed in the United States. Each year, about 6,000 babies are born with Down syndrome in the U.S. That's about 1 in every 700 babies. But how much do we really know about Down syndrome? We are First Choice Family Services, and in this video, we'll talk about developmental disabilities and Down syndrome. As always, if you find this content valuable, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. What is Down syndrome? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, defines Down syndrome as a condition in which a person has an extra chromosome. Typically, a baby is born with 46 chromosomes. Babies with Down syndrome have an extra copy of one of these chromosomes, chromosome 21. This extra copy changes how the baby's body and brain develop, which may cause both mental and physical challenges for the baby. Some common physical features of Down syndrome listed by the CDC include a flattened type face, especially the bridge of the nose, almond-shaped eyes that slant upward, a short neck, small ears, a tongue that tends to stick out of the mouth, poor muscle tone or loose joints, shorter in height in both children and adults. Types of Down syndrome. People with Down syndrome might behave the same way and have similar physical features, but there are 3 types of Down syndrome according to the CDC. By looking at the chromosomes, they can be classified as either one of the following. Trisomy 21. About 95% of people with Down syndrome have trisomy 21, where each cell in the body has 3 separate copies of chromosome 21 instead of the usual 2 copies. Translocation Down syndrome. This type accounts to 3% of people with Down syndrome, where an extra part or a whole extra chromosome 21 is present but is attached or translocated to a different chromosome rather than being a separate chromosome 21. Mosaic Down syndrome. This type accounts to the remaining 2% of people with Down syndrome, where there is a combination with some of their cells having 3 copies of chromosome 21, but other cells have the typical 2 copies of chromosome 21. In conclusion, Down syndrome is a lifelong developmental disability in which a person is born with an extra chromosome. Like all developmental disabilities, early detection and intervention will help individuals with Down syndrome improve their physical and intellectual abilities. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Remember, First Choice Family Services is your information resource for the DSP industry. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to stay connected.